the U.S. war machine!
From Palestine to the Philippines!
U.S. imperialist! Number one!
Yes, imperialist!
Makibaka! From Palestine to the Philippines!
Stop the U.S. war machine!
Stop the U.S. war machine!
From Palestine to the Philippines! Number one terrorist! Ibagsak!
We condemn the wars of aggression committed by US and Israel on Iran. Trump and Netanyahu are war criminals who should be held accountable for bombing not just military targets but also civilian facilities, which led to the death of so many innocent civilians in Tehran. And not just in Tehran, the US and Israel has a record of committing acts of aggression in the Middle East.
Yet, hindi sila nasisingil, hindi sila napapanagot sa kanilang
Number one terrorist!
number one terrorist!
U.S. imperial laban! Hands off Iran!
This crisis is not just limited in the Middle East. It will affect many countries, especially the Philippines. We are concerned about the situation of migrant workers in the Middle East. We are deeply alarmed over the impact of the crisis in the Middle East over the oil industry. It will lead to oil disruptions and lead to increase in prices of oil and other sensitive products.
Na si Benjamin Netanyahu, no? Ay natitindig ang mga kabataan, patuloy na lalaban ng mga mamamayang
Ibagsak!
imperialismo!
Ibagsak!
Mga kasama, narinig ko na US imperialist! US troops! US troops!
Tayo sa aral ng kasaysayan, sinakop tayo ng